Alright, YouTube. So, the grom's pretty much done. I took it for a little test ride. Seems to do fine. Hopefully I'll get that legal in the next couple of weeks. So, plan is to move on to my four-wheeler. Which needs to be rebuilt. This bike is a 2016 Honda Rancher 420 originally. I swapped everything over to, it's pretty much a Honda Foreman, except for the front end. It doesn't have the diff lock or electronic four-wheel drive. So it still has manual open diff four-wheel drive. But I sank it a few times and it needs to be, top end needs to be rebuilt. She's a little smoky. It's a little bit of abuse. Connectors off here and roll this harness out of the way. Probably have to pull a fuel tank. It's been a while. But these bikes are pretty simple. this little rubber tab's a keeper. Pull it back, and then you can pinch these. Alright, trying to get this fuel tank off still. Being a bit stubborn. And that would be why. Oh, that corrosion. Yeah, you can see all that monster engine. Well, a lot of guys wonder about snorkel routing. I don't know if you can see it with all the dirt, but it goes down there, curves up and over, goes through there. Does like a 45 to 90, comes out. Like so. Definitely see it's got some blow by, plenty of oil in the intake. Believe this guy can come out now. Let's see how much water's in there. From the last ride, I didn't drain it when I put it on the, well, it's probably in the back of the truck, but that's pretty good for the amount of water we were riding in. Smells disgusting though. So I'm going to get, and if you were just doing top end, you'd have plenty of room in the bike to do it. But I'm also doing clutches Yeah, I think just the centrifugal clutch and the clutch pack for the actual transmission. And that's all I got. Plus the jug, piston, rings. Alrighty, see how bad it is. Pretty dark. It smells a little burnt. But it's not milky, so that's good. Always something. Hopefully it's catching most of it. Still need to get that top coolant line off, and then the wires going to the back of the engine need to be disconnected, and then the front differential needs to be unbolted so I can pull that drive shaft out. Then I can unbolt the engine, pull it off the back drive shaft. Should come out, maybe. You gotta go far enough forward. You have to remove that bracket right here because it's gonna hit on the differential. So let me get that off. I don't even know if y'all can see in there, but whatever. I'll point you at it. Alright, the camera died on me. The only thing y'all really missed was getting this engine out of the frame, which I do want to film, so I'll highlight that when I put it back in. I'll probably end this video here though, and then the next video we'll get into the good stuff, seeing what's wrong with the engine, or what's wore out on the engine. Probably going to pick up some mean green, pressure wash this thing, make it a little nicer to work on. But see you next time.